Not this again. Well, it's flooding again. This light died. See that? Yeah, this pipe somehow busted, and there's a puddle of water. It's not as big as last time. The upstairs, I believe, is fine. I'll check it out. But yeah, this is really early in the morning, and it's raining, so this pisses me off. I don't want to have to deal with this right when I wake up. This place sucks. There's a bucket here, but I don't see flooding. Here's something over here. The light in this hallway died too. No, there's no flooding up here. It must only be downstairs, and it's affecting us. No one else, because our house is right next to that hallway. Oh, I hate this place so much. You hear that, right? It's all just water. This puddle is... Oh my god. I have to go to work today. This fucking sucks.